For a bit of background on DCR, it was established by Daniel in 2007, but since then we've grown into a complete building services company offering design consultancy and installation of heat pumps in both domestic and commercial sectors.
Hi, I'm Lewis, COO of DCR. We're based in Newark, Nottinghamshire, and we provide national heat pump installations for domestic and commercial clients. We choose the Warmflow product mainly because of its reliability, and the brand has been endorsed by years and years of expertise from the Warmflow crew back in Belfast. We've done their oil boilers for a number of years, and we design our heat pump systems based on the experience we've learned from many years of being in the heating industry. This is a really important part of the installation of a heat pump, is its experience, what the installers and both the designers can bring to the table. So with this ASO3 from Warmflow, one of the biggest things we specify and look at is noise. So we've always worked with Warmflow on these heat pumps, and the transition from the R32 to the R290, certainly on noise, has been a massive improvement. As you can hear, this heat pump is operating behind me, probably that you can't hear because it is so quiet. This one in particular has our battery pack next to it, so with this installation we have the opportunity for it to be operating through solar PV and also battery. So during the day the solar PV is working and filling the battery up as well as selling out to the grid. If this heat pump comes on at night, majority of the time it is supplied through the battery. Since this installation has gone in, which has now been 2 months, the property has nearly been fully off grid, as well as selling out to the grid during high peaks of solar yields. All of our systems are remote controlled, so their client has the opportunity to use the phone to turn on hot water, to boost hot water, same for heating. Some clients have multiple zones, so they can run the ground floor and the first floor separately. Additional to that, we have WarmLink from Warmflow. This is a massive product for us because it allows not just us to monitor from the office, it allows the client to monitor their heat pump and also to change the SCOPs. They can change the target temperature. So if they really were wanting to gain extra efficiency, they can just simply go on the WarmLink app and reduce the target temperature, subsequently improving their SCOP and improving their comfort. So the other advantage for WarmLink for our point of view is the operational data. We can find out if there is a fault with the heat pump before the client is aware, and we can make sure we have an engineer en route. So the installer will always be able to look and check the operation of the system. Can you make an improvement? If you can either use the app or arrange a visit to site. It allows the installers to have that amount of data coming back to them to further improve their installation.